What's going on, guys? Tour Cruise here with another cycling video here in Japan. We're right in the center, the heart of Nagoya City, and I thought I'd show you guys, introduce you guys to some of the other cycling paths we have here. So this is right downtown, right in the city, one of the main bike paths here, right by Fushimi Station. And I never really take these routes, and there's a couple of reasons for that, but we're going nice and slow today, so there won't be any problems. And you can see along this path, there's a bunch of bikes, and in Japan, you ride on the left side of the path. So right now, there's not too many people on the path, so we're having some nice smooth sailing. And they've got some cool markers here on the ground. And yeah, it's actually really rare for me. I don't take these paths almost never, and this is one of the reasons for that. You can see the people waiting here, they don't wait behind the path, they wait on the path. And this person's going the wrong way. So there's two reasons right away why I'm never on these paths, but anyway, I wanted to show you guys that these paths actually do exist and you can use them, and they do shelter you from the cars in one sense, but in the other sense, you face a lot of other dangerous situations with pedestrians randomly going on. So you are sheltered in one sense, but not that much. That's pretty cool. There's some scooter parking there, some other bike parking I noticed. And recently, I've noticed there's been some construction in the city. They're expanding, they're building some more cycling infrastructure. So on one hand, it's a good thing. I'm happy to see that they're improving, or not improving, but expanding the cycling infrastructure here. So there are more safe routes and cycling is a good option to get around the city. But on the other hand, I do wish they would make a couple other optimizations to make the existing paths a little bit safer and more optimal for people to use them. I'm here with Thuong-chan. We just had a nice, delicious barbecue lunch. Her first ever time with American barbecue. American barbecue no inchi wa dou? Very good. Yakuniku yori oishii? We're gonna turn left over here. And this is, what is this? Shirokawa Goen. So White River Park. And that's really nice. Oh, these flowers smell really good. Nice flowers out right now. We're just entering winter season, getting pretty close to spring. The path we were on doesn't last too long. That's another downside, is those paths are really short. They're only for a short part in the center of the city. This is another nice park we've got here in Nagoya. And this park is connected to the Science Museum over here. So the, what is it? The Nagoya Kagakukan Science Center. I think that's what it's called in Japanese. I went here once, a long time ago, when I was a study abroad student, but haven't been inside again since then. But you can see we've got a giant planetarium right here. It's really cool looking from the outside. And I remember when I went in there, there was just a bunch of these little elementary school kids, and it was really chaotic, but there was a lot of cool things. It looks like a lot of fun for them. And it looks like we've got some remains here from like an old rocket or something used for a space shuttle. Let's take a look here. So here it says, get off your bike and walk. So we're gonna obey the laws. Get off your bike and walk. And let's take a quick look. Here we go. Check that out, that's crazy. A giant ball, giant planetarium. And they have some different shows there. When I went there, they did one talking about the galaxy and stuff, and it was all in Japanese. I only understood a fraction of it, and I think I almost fell asleep just because it was too difficult for me to understand. I never studied those words or those vocabulary, so it was stuff I never knew. ここに入ったことある？ない。また今度行こう。今ちょっと怖いけど、今行かない。So right now it's a coronavirus fear. Everyone has their masks on. This is cool, a little train over here, train car. And we can walk right under here. And this is pretty cool. So what is this? The one-man car. The one-man car. Looks like an old trolley. Pretty nifty. Let's head back to where we entered here. We gotta head back to the park. And you'll notice a lot of people walking around today, they've all got their masks on, so there's a big coronavirus scare going on. There's actually a couple cases here in Aichi Prefecture. I think we have over 9 cases. We have a really large international community and lots of tourists from China, lots of workers from China, so there is some potential to get sick here, unfortunately. And we're trying to avoid crowded areas as best we can. But ironically, we did come into the city today, and we usually try and stay home while we can. All the trees are pretty barren right now. It's ending of the winter season right now, so it is a little bit gloomy, but we'll be getting the pink sakura cherry blossoms blooming pretty soon, and really excited for that to happen. It's going to be really beautiful here once it does happen. Dogs over here, Shiba dog. And let's cross over here on this bridge. Really windy today though. Oh, this is really hard in the single speed. I didn't make it. But Chun-chan's a pro. See, and we gotta walk up this part. Omoi? Niku omoi. Tabesugii? Niku omoi. じゃあもう肉食べない。二度と肉食べない。今ね。And here's a cool look of the street from above here. And once these trees are all in full bloom, this is going to be really nice. I can't wait to come back here next month when everything's just fully in bloom and everything's nice and colorful again. Here we are back on the main road area. And you can see this part is supposed to be separated. Pedestrians on the left, cycling on the right, but you can see people are just walking in the cycling part. They don't really pay any mind to that. It's like it doesn't even exist. And it is crazy crowded up there, so let's get on the main road. Always the better bet. And you're actually pretty safe here on the main roads here in Japan. The cars aren't too aggressive with you. And it's actually nice when there's sections like this because the cars won't come over into you. You can see the wind's crazy strong today. All these bikes are knocked over. Passing by another subway station right here. Oh. This is a Baiteri over here. This is a used cycling store, so you can get some nice deals here. Let's take a quick look. I get a lot of questions on the channel, people asking about where to buy used bikes in Japan, and I generally recommend either Facebook groups or you can find like a specialty used shop. So Baiteri is a specialty used shop, and we've got a branch here in Osu Kannon in Nagoya. They got a couple cool bikes here. Let's take a closer look. Looks like we got a nice specialized, and I'll check this one out. They've also got a 3-wheeler. You'll see some of the older people here using these to carry their groceries and get around. Electric assist and cargo in the back, 3-wheeler. Looks nice and comfy. Also a basket in the front. Anyway, it's a really cool shop in there. Unfortunately, don't have enough time to go in and do the full tour today, but if you're interested, let me know. Comment down below, let me know you want to see the tour, and I'll try and come back another day and do that if there's enough interest in the comments below. Always a lot more people to navigate on the weekend. Gotta go nice and slow here. This is Osu Kannon shopping district, also temple area. So we also gotta walk through here as well. And speaking of walking, my wife Chun-chan started a walking channel recently. She just did a full video, a full tour of this area. So if you're interested in seeing more about this area, you can go check out her walking tour video. I think she started exactly right here, like I am now, and it's a really cool area. So over here, we've got the temple area, and then inside, they've got a whole bunch of different shopping options. And actually, it looks like you can ride your bike here. You just gotta not give a care in the world. Here we go. This is the entrance to the shopping arcade area. And I love this place. This is one of my favorite places to come. Just a whole bunch of variety of different things. And I don't really care so much for the shopping, but I love all the different food options. You can see right away, we've got some delicious looking food here, some delicious looking food here, and some delicious looking bubble tea here. Japan is all about its fads, which come and go really quick. And I'm really happy that the bubble tea fad has come back here, although it doesn't compare at all towards the real bubble tea in Taiwan, which is way bigger in volume and way better in taste. We've also got a taiyaki shop here, and just, yeah, a bunch of cool stuff here. And again, if you want to see the full tour of this place, make sure to see Chun-chan's video. Ne, koko no video mo totta ne. So go ahead, check out her channel, her video. All right, it is a giant maze in there. We're not going to spend too much time in there today because we do got to get heading home before it gets dark today. We had a big day in the city today, and I hope this helped give you a better idea of what it's like cycling in Japan, what the roads are like here, what the cycling paths are like here. And there's a whole bunch of other cool places that I want to explore here, share with you guys. So if you have any requests, be sure to let me know down below in the comments. All right, guys. Oh man, watch out for Japanese girls that are running all over the place. So it's a dangerous world out there. Stay safe. Even the bike lanes here aren't safe, but it is an adventure, that's for sure. And always fun to explore new areas in the city. And as the weather gets a little bit warmer here, the sunny days get a little bit longer, and the nature, the flowers get a little bit brighter. I'm excited to make some more videos out here in the city. If you have any requests, be sure to let me know down below in the comments, and we'll try and make a video about it soon. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time here on Tuwo Cruise.